Hello, I am Alisha Malik. I have came to the screen of Shiro Vision with some new pieces of news for you. Neeraj Chopra on being the reason behind India's joy. Find myself lucky one to thank everyone for their support. A nation of 1.3 billion erupted in joy on Saturday after Neeraj Chopra created history by winning the men's javelin at the Tokyo Games to secure India's first ever Olympic athletics gold post-independence. Chopra is in an exclusive interview to India Today consulting editor Poria Majumdar thanked every Indian for their unconditional support and prayers and said that he was lucky to the reason behind India's joy. Neeraj joined Abhinav Binda in the exclusive two-man list after he ended up on the top in the men's javelin throw final with the best attempt of 87.58 meter in his second throw, which has enough for him to finish on top. Neeraj also thanked Bindra for showing him the path to Olympics glory. Chopra, who hails from the northern Indian state of Haryana, was an overweight 12-year-old boy who was persistently persuaded by his family members to take up sports, possibly to help him shed a few pounds. Neeraj Chopra achieved both the legendary Milkha Singh and PT Usha missed out by the barest of margin at the Olympic Games. Leaders not only released their dream but made it special by the winning the gold medal in the men's javelin at the Tokyo Olympics. Neeraj Chopra slept like a baby on Friday before winning historic Olympic gold medal at Tokyo 2020. Neeraj Chopra is only 23 and he was playing in his Olympic first. A javelin thrower with a huge reputation, Chopra was one of the India's brightest medal prospects at the Tokyo Games. He had won medal before when you are at the Olympics you have to deal with the immense pressure. Neeraj Chopra was expected to win a medal in a track and field event, something no Indian had done in the post-independence era. But he was assured right from the start. Neeraj Chopra became the first Indian to top the qualifications in the men's javelin throw with his first attempt of 86.65 meters in the Group A. Once in the final, India knew it had a medal win but could he win gold? Well, Neeraj just win gold with style. Well, Neeraj did win gold and with style. If you were not impressed with his first attempt of 87.03 meter, he recorded 87.58 meter in the second. The third attempt was poor, 76.79 meter, and his sixth and final attempt was for 84.24 meter, but by then he had won gold for India. It is natural to be tense in the finals of the Olympics unless you are Usain Bolt, who would wake up from his sleep to win gold medals. Those in though claimed Neeraj slept like a baby on the eve of his javelin final. Before going to sleep, Neeraj told his team he had done what he needed to do. He was sure of giving his best on Saturday. Neeraj prepared for the biggest match of his career with such diligence that he never failed the pressure. He was relaxed and had a sound night's sleep. Neeraj Chopra is now a household name in India, but he would have gone back to his hotel home, sleep soundly again. Minaarets, Jamaat-e-Islami, residents in 14 Jammu and Kashmir district in the terror funding case. In one of its biggest operations in Jammu and Kashmir, the National Investigative Agency conducted raids at 45 locations in 14 districts for the Union Territory in connection with the terror funding case. The NIA sleuths, assisted by Jammu and Kashmir Police and CRPF, conducted raids at the residence of members of Jamaat-e-Islami, an outfit that was banned by the central government in 2019 due to its pro-Pakistan and pro-separatist leanings. The NIA conducted the raids to check the resurgence of Jamaat-e-Islami activities in the Jammu and Kashmir despite the ban. A senior DIG and a team from Delhi had flown to Srinagar before the raids. Some Jamaat members were routing money via Dubai and Turkey for funding terror activities with the help of Pakistan's Secret Intelligence Service ISI sources said. The money was being routed in the name of charity, healthy, and education sources. On July 31, the NIA raided 40 locations in the Jammu and Kashmir in connection with the case related to the recovery of IED and the arrest of Lashkar-e-Mustafa top commander Hidayatullah Malik.
জিরো ভিশন, সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। জিরো ভিশন। জিরো ভিশন আজ কলকাতা তথা গ্রাম বাংলার পশ্চিমবঙ্গের সাধারণ মানুষের পাশে এসে দাঁড়িয়েছে। জিরো ভিশন সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। আপনারাও পারেন জিরো ভিশনের মতন সবার পাশে এসে দাঁড়াতে। আসুন না সাহায্যের হাত বাড়িয়ে দিই। আপনারা যদি সাহায্য করতে চান তলার এই নাম্বারগুলোর সাথে যোগাযোগ করতে পারেন। প্রত্যেকটাই আমাদের জিরো ভিশন সংস্থার নাম্বার। ভালো থাকুন, সুস্থ থাকুন।
That's it for today for me and my team. Thank you for watching. Please stay safe and stay at home. If you like our channel, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.